Hi everyone, I'm back with another exciting automation. Basically, this automation will get you leads, and every business need leads to grow. So let's suppose with an example that you are a PI firm owner in US, UK, Egypt, or anywhere, and your cost per case again went up. Reason being, you used Meta ads, LSAs, Google ads, and your competitors might have deeper pocket, but you need something cheaper. So I have this automation built for you, which is very cheaper, warmer, and get you better leads. How this works? So let's suppose within your area you have an injury care provider that always meet accident victims, but they know that what is the injury, how we gonna how what will be the cost, and they know that their loss is coming, but they never heard of you, they never heard of your firm because no one ever asked them. That's also right, but what I think is it is never a marketing problem, it's a scale problem, because no one in your firm will email 500 clinics every day. That is not something that people generally do, writing and drafting 500 emails and to find the leads to whom I send. So this is my automation here. I'll quickly demonstrate you. This is something you never have to do. If I sell you this automation, you like this is just for the sake of demo. I'll go here, my automation is already running. I have to put one command. Ignore this totally, you don't have to do this again. It is working on the automations. The AI is running behind the scenes. It is getting to the websites. It is scraping their website. For example, as soon as I ran this command, what eventually will happen is I have my AI enabled, that is Claude. It will find best leads throughout the region that we specified. Let's suppose for this demo I have added Florida, and what I'm supposed to do is I'm trying to send and to sell my automations to PI firm or any business owner if they need this. The only thing I need from you as a business owner is just 5 keywords related to your business. To whom are you targeting, what kind of leads do you want. So currently I have added like I need PI firm owners and so on and so on, like 5 keywords. I ran this query as you saw in my terminal. It is working. It might take like 5 minutes, but basically what it will do is my AI is crawling all the website, all the Google searches, the best leads using many prompts behind the scenes, and it will not just capture the leads. See, we have something going on here now. It will keep filling this Excel sheet. It will go to, for example, it found a very better lead for your PI firm. It will find its website. If it is not able to find, it will ignore. But if they have a website, they'll go to the web it will go to the website. It will scrap the pages like home page, about us, and so on. It will have the necessary information, all the information about the that particular clinic, and for my case a PI firm that I'm selling my automation to. It will have everything. And why I'm doing this? To get the precise, my for example a template, I need a template to basically send them in an email. So it is never a template, of course, never a template, that one template we are just changing the business owners. It is scraping their website, learning about their business, and then drafting my emails. As you see that all the leads are being fetched here just by one click. That was in terminal. It is working, and you see I have many leads here. I have currently added a limit of around 16, so I have 15 16 leads. I have their city, I have their notes, I have my fit score as well, that how much it really helps my business, that can are they the potential buyer. I have a fit reason as well, that what fit reason AI saw, so basically I can sell them. So it basically found that founder led with this is a small firm of 2 to 30 attorneys, and it will draft me an email as well, that what email we are supposed to send them to sell this automation. I'll quickly show you how this looks in email. See, the new email just went. How? This is what my AI sent, that hi Gesson and squads team, your site notes that you have remained small in numbers and so on. So it gathered everything from their website scraping, and at last it added my name, my founder, and everything. This is something we can always change, but basically what this whole automation do is get the leads, scrap everything from their website, understand what they do, then draft an email, and it will automatically send as well. So you have to do nothing. It is sending. Moreover, if they reply again in the Excel sheet, it will marked as replied yes. So you just go to your email, check whether this is a potential client, book the meetings, and you are done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.